Hi Ken, I wanted to give you a quick video just showing the setup using the CIO 1400 and changing the inspections based upon the kiss cut large and kiss cut small. So down at the video you see at the bottom right, you'll see I have the CIO 1400 along with the cable I just modified, made for the Insight 2000 to hook up. You can see an Insight 2000 here. I'm actually using a -130 monochrome. However, I have the tool set and the behavior is going to be identical to the one that you're using. To mimic the PLC outputs, I actually have two switches here that I can just flip on and off, and then to mimic a photo sensor, I just have a momentary push button. The patterns I'm using are for flash drives, so I have this guy is a USB drive, and then I got this guy is a different pattern USB drive, and so I got those under the camera. And then we take a look at the software, and in the software what I did is, you'll notice I just have the two tools now. I went ahead and I removed the logic tool, and within the tool you'll see down here in the settings, to enable those tools, I've selected input 1 and in this case input 2 to enable those tools. I have both of them. I have include in job pass, and that's what's gonna, when the tool is disabled, it's not included in the job pass, and so that's how we're gonna get pass fail out of the camera. One thing I did want to show you is this tool here. You notice you can't adjust any of the settings. In order to adjust those settings, you'll need to come in here and set this to on, and that will enable those, and then when you're done, you're just going to switch it back to the input. So it won't let you adjust settings while the input is disabled. With that being the case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the camera online. Here you can see on the screen I've got my pass-fail border. You can also notice up at the upper right the tools. It shows what tool is enabled, what tool is disabled. So this will give you a good idea of how the pass-fail is going to operate. So I'm just going to take my trigger button and I'm going to push my trigger. You'll see the image update. Let me get that back in place. So here you can see I'm failing on this part because it's expecting the other part. So let's drop this other part in here and spin that a bit. There we go. So you can see it's expecting this guy, and if the other pattern passes, it fails. So then I'm going to change product here by flipping these toggle switches, and I'm going to trigger again, and now you see this pattern changes, and you can see at the upper right the active tool changed from large to small. So we could see that these are switching back and forth. Now it does not pass this tool, so hopefully that gives you enough information to help. Thanks.